Hello, this is Chris Allen, and I wanted to give you a quick update for week number 15. In Calculus AB, we have been looking at optimization problems in Chapter 3. In fact, we finished Chapter 3 last week, so we've been kind of reviewing this week. So here's an example of an optimization problem, basically trying to minimize the length of a rope between two poles. Um, big news in Calc AB is we have our Chapter 3 test on Thursday. So it'll be an AP style test. In Calc BC, we continue to move along in our delve into new integration techniques. So the first couple of days this week, we looked specifically at integration involving trig substitutions. And then today I introduced something called partial fraction integration, which is where you take one integral that is a more complicated rational expression and break it into simpler rational functions that can then be easily integrated. In geometry, we have been looking at triangle centers. Last week we looked at, Monday we looked at the circumcenter and the end center of a circle. And then on Tuesday we looked at centroids and orthocenters. It turns out that the orthocenter, centroid, and circumcenter all line up on a line called Euler's line. So we've actually done some practice of things in class, and we've even done several geometric constructions. Some final thoughts. Again, I hate to sound like a broken record, but I am struggling getting students to find the value of doing any homework outside of class. This goes for geometry and calculus. So I present the material in class, and then I try to give my students around 10 problems, and a lot of times less than that, of practice problems that are odd numbered so they can check their answers to do outside of class. And students, since that's not for points, a lot of them are choosing not to do that, and that's making it very difficult for them to learn the material. So if you could please help me, if your son or daughter says that they are struggling understanding what's going on, please ask them to show you their homework. And if they can show you, then great. Then that's awesome. Then let's work with helping that student understand. But if they're not even putting in the effort to do the work to learn by practicing, that's another issue. So, and obviously I'm willing to work with that, but it's really hard when the only time students are, getting their hands dirty with the math is in class. That's not going to be enough, in my opinion. Finally, Thanksgiving is next week. So next week we will only be at school on Monday and Tuesday. So the students get Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off. So next week will be a nice short week. I'm very thankful for a lot of things, and one of those things is being a teacher of your son or daughter. So thank you for letting me work with them. So I hope you have a great Thanksgiving, and that's all I've got. Have a great day.